Looking to upgrade your bathroom with the perfect tub? In this video, we explore the top 5 bathtubs on Amazon for 2025. Whether you want a relaxing soak, a spa-like jetted experience, or a sleek freestanding centerpiece. Let's begin with a true standout, the WOODBRIDGE 59-inch freestanding Whirlpool jetted soaking tub. This tub is ideal for anyone who wants both elegance and therapeutic function in a compact package. It features a glossy white acrylic finish, stainless steel frame, and a deep basin perfect for full-body immersion. What really sets it apart are the 6 powerful Whirlpool water jets and 10 air jets that provide a balanced hydrotherapy massage. It also includes an inline water heater to maintain the temperature during long soaks, plus an LED control panel for intuitive operation. With its 59-inch length, it fits well in most modern bathrooms, offering a spa-grade experience without requiring excessive space. Next up is the Empava 48-inch air-jetted freestanding soaking tub. If you're short on space but don't want to compromise on luxury, this tub is the solution. It's only 48 inches long, but its 21-inch depth makes it ideal for a proper soak. What makes this model unique is its 48 surrounding air jets, which offer a gentle, bubble-like massage. It includes a molded seat and a 400-watt air pump, enhancing comfort and relaxation. This tub is crafted from high-gloss acrylic with fiberglass reinforcement, ensuring durability and heat retention. It's compact, beautiful, and delivers a surprisingly powerful performance for its size, making it perfect for condos, apartments, or guest bathrooms. For those who want the ultimate spa retreat in their home, the Empava 72-inch Whirlpool jetted tub is a luxurious choice. This tub is designed for 2 people and features a whopping 1,125-watt pump system, a built-in inline heater, and an array of water jets strategically placed along the interior. It also includes LED chromotherapy lighting, allowing you to set the mood for a truly relaxing bath. With its 72-inch length and 110-gallon capacity, it's the most spacious tub on our list, ideal for master bathrooms or couples looking for a shared soaking experience. The acrylic surface is both elegant and easy to clean, and the digital control panel makes adjusting settings a breeze. If you're looking for a larger freestanding bathtub, but prefer a cleaner, more minimalist design, consider the WOODBRIDGE 71-inch freestanding jetted soaking tub. This tub blends size, style, and function with its sleek oval silhouette and reinforced acrylic shell. It features a combination of air and water jets for a dual massage experience. And while it doesn't come with an inline heater, it still offers excellent thermal insulation for long-lasting warmth. The LED lighting adds a spa-like ambiance, and the size makes it perfect for taller individuals or anyone who enjoys stretching out fully during their soak. It's a beautiful centerpiece that brings resort-level comfort into your bathroom. Rounding out our list is the Swiss Madison Voltaire 60-inch Alcove soaking tub, a no-nonsense choice for those who want a quality soaking experience at an affordable price. This model features a simple alcove design with a left side drain and is made from durable acrylic. Unlike the other tubs on this list, it's not freestanding or jetted, but that's exactly what makes it great for traditional bathroom layouts or budget-conscious remodels. It's easy to install, easy to clean, and deep enough for a satisfying soak. The Voltaire is an excellent option for homeowners looking for durability, functionality, and understated design in a standard tub footprint.